In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for HR effectively. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Monday.com. Once the website opens, go ahead and log in with your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you should create one first before proceeding further. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your Monday.com screen, where you'll find a plus icon. By clicking on this, you'll reveal an option to select Boards. Boards are essential on Monday.com as they help organize projects and tasks, in this case, HR-related activities, efficiently. After you have selected the Boards option, look for the Choose from Templates button. This will allow you to find and install pre-built boards tailored for HR processes such as recruitment, onboarding, and HR services. Templates are there to simplify your work. They provide a structured format ready for you to fill in with ease, significantly reducing time and effort in setting things up from scratch. Next, you'll want to create boards specifically designed to track candidates through various hiring stages. You can also manage additional details like new hire checklists, which come in handy for organizing paperwork and training sessions, keeping everything in one place and making it easier to stay on top of these important tasks. Once you've set up those boards, it's time to create a main table with columns for key information such as employee name, leave type, dates, and approval status. Using a form to collect leave requests that automatically populate your main table can greatly enhance efficiency. This setup allows for easier management and tracking of leave requests, providing transparency and reducing manual data entry errors. Another good practice is to create a central board with a customizable form that employees can use to submit various requests. These might include vacation requests or other HR-related inquiries. Having this kind of streamlined process ensures that all requests are handled systematically and are less likely to be missed or mismanaged, thus improving the overall employee experience. Automation plays a crucial role in managing your HR functions on Monday.com. By automating workflows, you can save time and minimize the risk of errors. Automations can handle repetitive tasks for you, allowing you more time to focus on strategic aspects of your work. Lastly, consolidate all your HR processes within a single, centralized workspace. This provides better visibility and helps streamline your operations, facilitating smoother communication and collaboration across your HR team. With everything in one place, you're able to more effectively manage the full employee lifecycle, including recruitment, employee development, and engagement. By integrating all these elements, Monday.com becomes an invaluable tool for HR management. You'll be able to oversee every important detail, ensuring your HR processes are not only efficient, but also aligned with your company's goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.